Let's solve this expression. 6 minus 4 times open parenthesis, 6 minus 4, close parenthesis. A very common error is to work straight left to right. People do 6 minus 4 first, getting 2. Then they multiply that 2 by the result of the parentheses, which is also 2, and end up with 4 as their answer. But that's wrong. We have to follow the order of operations, PEMDAS. Parentheses first, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. First, solve inside the parentheses. 6 minus 4 equals 2. Now we have 6 minus 4 times 2. Multiplication comes before subtraction. So, 4 times 2 equals 8. Now the expression is 6 minus 8. 6 minus 8 equals -2. The correct answer is -2, not 4. Always multiply before you subtract.